Suffer without Rick Pitino. And well, I do think it's obvious that without Rick Pitino, it's going to be less personal. I mean, it was personal with Rick Pitino. I mean, and they go into the his family and insult everybody that he's ever known, and like it was personal. It was heated that way. I think the rivalry is actually going to be better with Chris Mack, and there are a whole bunch of different reasons. But the number one reason is I think Chris Mack is going to win more than Rick Pitino did. I mean, and here's the deal: it's not a rivalry, as Kentucky knows with their Tennessee rivalry, quote unquote rivalry in football. It's not a rivalry if they beat you all the time, and it has to. You have to get wins back and forth. And for whatever reason, I've heard 10 different theories on why Rick Pitino couldn't beat the Cats more often, but he didn't. And it was 2-9, whatever it was. And I gotta believe that Chris Mack's going to be better than that. And so I think the rivalry is going to be better under Chris Mack.
I have some thoughts in that regard as far as why Rick is not. I just think it's that window of the one and done. And during that time, Rick was here. He coached John Calipari, and things were changed. Only the very best, the elite of the elite, the top five, class every year. And now that Coach K and now Penny Hardaway have jumped into the game, that dynamic has changed. But I'm with you. And you know what I like too? I know I'm all over the board because of my excitement and adrenaline here. I also like the fact that, a rivalry like this is not new to Coach Mack. I mean, he had that with Big Road in Cincinnati, and he got the best of it. So this is a guy who's not only experienced, but had a really, hard-fought rivalry, something with a lot of venom. He's won those games. So that kind of experience has bodes well. And like his team, he talks about the toughness factor. He's not going to get pumped. He's not backing down. You're not going to see, Val to John Calipari and to Winnipeg.
And there are a whole bunch of other reasons why I think the rivalry is going to be better. But one of the other reasons that I think it's going to be better is, just a year before the game, how much he loved his time at Kentucky. Just a year, and I don't, again, I'm with you. It's going to be great. I love Rick Pitino. I respect him. They're not running for that. Not running for that. But honestly, that was the one thing that every time he said it just grated on my nerves, and I'm sure it grated on a whole bunch of Bull fans' nerves about how great it was, his time was in Kentucky, how great their fans are. You're not going to hear that from Chris Mack. He's got no romantic love for Kentucky. He's not going to romanticize your rival. And frankly, here's the other thing that Mack, I think, has in him, and I don't think Rick Pitino does, is the scoreboard pointing. Mack has no issue bringing up old scores. He had no issue telling Cincinnati, oh, you want to run your mouth about this. Yeah, we're 6-3. We've won 6 out of the last 9 games. We've won 4 out of the last 5 against you. Like, he had no problem bringing up those kind of facts. And for all those Kentucky fans who are listening right now who think, well, Chris Mack's so likable. I hear that. I heard that all.
Yeah, he's a hard guy not to like.
Yeah, I heard that all throughout the holidays. He's just so likable. I don't know what to do with the Louisville coach who's likable. Wait till he beats you.
Yeah, see how much I like him.
And see how much you like him after he starts talking about a win over you.
We were talking about that. It's similar to when we used to make that trip to Clemson and go into Death Valley.
Oh, they're so likable.
And the first year, I mean, their fans were like, hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to the ACC. And they were so nice. Hey, come on here, grab yourself some barbecue. And I was like, these guys are great. Well, then they see that we can compete. We're right there with you. All of a sudden, things got a little bit more contentious.
Oh, sure, yeah. And so I'm expecting, here's what needs to happen for the rivalry today. Louisville wins. Chris Mack comes out and says something, after the game about the scoreboard, about how they won, about your rival.
Please do.
And then we're set for the next several years in sports radio. That's what I'm rooting for.
There you go. Obviously we're throwing out a hypothetical, but it's real. If you and I, Howie, you and I decide we're going to go out, we're going to have a cold beverage. We go into 2 Keys in Lexington. This is preseason. Let's say, I don't know, August. We go in there in August and we say, hey, this basketball game coming up, and you know what we were going through during that time. We say, well, you know what, it's going to be a coin flip. We may be slightly favored in a basketball game. One, either they recognize us and we get beat to a pulp immediately, or they laugh us out.
Right.
I mean, I have to admit, preseason, if you would have told me, when you get ready for this game, the Battle of the Bluegrass, it's college basketball analysts, not you, John, so Cardinal heavy and, optimistic about the Cardinals, but college basketball analysts will say this game is a coin flip. I'd have said, I'll bet my house against that one, but here we are. Here we are.
Yeah, it is remarkable how the story of this game has changed. It moved so far in one direction towards Louisville. It moved so far in Louisville's direction over the first month or so of the season, and then in the last week, it swung back Kentucky's direction for a little bit. And I don't know whether that's a real swing, John. I don't know if that's I'm not sure if that's a
true, I don't know. Does that last game exemplify what Kentucky is, or are we going to go with the other games on their schedule? Where are they right now? What is the state of both teams? I don't think Robert Morris is exactly where we are at this point. It's not what have you done for me lately. Let me see your entire body of work.
And so I'm excited about this game for a whole bunch of different reasons, but if nothing else, then right now it's pick 'em. I mean, Vegas says it's what, a 1-point game?
And I think Sagarin actually had Louisville 1 point. I'd have to check that out.
But back and forth, and my two favorites are Sagarin and KenPom. They're split on this. Vegas seems to be split on this. Most of the fan base seems to be split on this. That's the type of game that we love. We love those kind of down to the wire, Patrick Sparks, Edgar Sosa, those kind of memorable moments where we're all going to remember it forever. Yeah, that's what I want to see today.
Man, I can feel your adrenaline, and I feel your passion and excitement for the game, and Howie and I both would like to talk to you. So if you'd like to call in, 571-7900. We'll talk about the Battle of the Bluegrass. Coming up on the show, we did an interview earlier this week, Mike and myself, with John Clay, the Lexington Herald leader. Got a little blue perspective there. It'll be interesting. He's an objective journalist. Don't get me wrong, but of course, hey, he follows the Cats, and maybe you can give us a heads up about what we're about to see. And then we also talked to Gary Parrish of CBS Sports, their college basketball analyst, and he had an interesting take. He's got a long history with Coach Calipari, as you know, and is also very familiar with Coach Mack. And I thought he had a real interesting take on this game. So we'll do that a little bit later on. But right now, phone lines are open if you'd like to jump in. And Howie, I'm with you. Sleeping last night was a little bit tough. Isn't it nice to be excited about something in a positive way?
It's so much fun. And this is what college basketball should be about. This is why we love it so much. This is why the world should love it a little bit more. I feel like an evangelist every now and then. When we go around we certainly don't have to do this in the ACC, but we do a little bit when I'm talking to SEC folks around the South, or I'm talking to Big Ten folks, or mostly it happened in the Big East, where we go up east and we tell people about how much fun college basketball was, and they're all pro-market. They don't get it. They're